Okay, guys, today I'm in Meridiana and I'm showing you a beautiful model home by Dries. This is actually a contemporary one story, a little bit under 4,000 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, media room, game room, really nice, cool layout. And so I'm gonna take you through that and let's see what you guys think. Okay, guys, if this is your first time to our channel, please hit that like and subscribe button if you want to know any and everything you need to know about living here in the Houston area. If you're back to our channel, thank you, welcome back. Please leave comments, just making sure we can actually give you guys the content that makes sense for you as you're looking to relocate in Houston. With that being said, today we're going to look at this Dries model home. This is the Leighton model home. Beautiful contemporary layout. Really good details, and they have a number of variations that you can get for you and your family. So I'm gonna take you through this model home, see what you guys think, and let's take a tour.
Okay guys, I really want to make sure I provide you detail. This beautiful model by Dries. This is a Leighton model. This model is a one story. It's 3,832 square feet. Comes with 4 bedrooms, 4 full bath, along with a half bath. It's a 3-car garage. You will see it has a game room, a media room, as well as oversized patio with outdoor kitchen. Guys, I hope you enjoy this beautiful home by Dries. Please let me know what you think.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful model home. I can tell you it is a beautiful layout with a lot of details that Drees provide. Drees is a great builder. They're actually normally located in Dallas and the Austin area, but this is one of their very few locations they have here in Houston, which is in Meridiana. Like I said, we would love to make sure we can answer any questions regarding Drees, Meridiana, our colony, Houston area in general. So please give us a call, email, text. We'd love to help you guys out, and we look forward to talking to you soon. You have a blessed day.